Hello, I'm in a 2014 Subaru Crosstrek, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth device to your interface. So first you want to make sure your vehicle's turned on. And there'll be a couple ways you could get to the connections. You could use this little voice button command if you want to do it all with your voice. Otherwise, once it's all booted, just hit phone, and then over here settings, and then Bluetooth setup. And then we're going to connect a phone, and then add new, and then from your device you're going to make sure it's on with this blue button highlighted showing your Bluetooth is on in your device. And then typically if you hold it, it'll open your Bluetooth menu, and you want to make sure scan is selected, which it is right now. And in this case we're looking for car multimedia, which it's right here, and usually just takes a moment to connect, at which point it'll prompt some kind of passcode confirmation on both ends, which we're pairing here, and then it's waiting on that end. Alright, and it shows it's all the way connected. And then usually it'll prompt you if you want to download your phone book and things to the car, just to make it easier for taking calls while you drive so you know who's calling. Also, you should be able to play music, things like that, with your audio settings. So that way you can pull up your favorite phone on your song or whatever. And otherwise, typically there's a max number of phones that can be saved in a car at once, so you might have to delete a device before you can add a new one. And some models won't let you add while you're driving, so you might have to park. But that's it. Hope that's helpful, and hope you have a great day.